swimming committee.
Big Major Cay, or Pig Beach as so many like to call it, is located just north of Staniel Cay. Pig Beach has become a popular tourist site due to the swimming pigs, and like many other places in the Bahamas, there's many stories about how they got there. Some say it was a group of sailors who kept them there to eat but never came back to get them. I'd heard that it was the stench of the pigs was so bad on Staniel Cay that they were rounded up and relocated to the nearby island. Another claim is that they survived a shipwreck and swam to the island. Regardless of how they got there, it's pretty cool to see the pigs hanging out on the beach and swimming in the water.
Hey. Hey, buddy.
He's the one that's supposed to start stealing.
There's a whole bunch of them. Yeah. Bingo. Because Bingo was his name-o.
They're just staring at me.
Hanging out.
Later that day, we went to the Staniel Cay Yacht Club where we hung out and played some games before dinner, and Sophia happened to have a guitar on board, and I was lucky enough to be able to play a few songs at the yacht club.
It's all lit up with the moon and everything. What are we fixing to go do, guys?
We're going to go in a cave.
Go swim the, which one, what's it called?
Grotto.
The Thunderball Grotto?
Yeah.
Alright.
Thunderball Grotto has appeared in several Hollywood films. However, it first appeared in the 007 movie Thunderball, hence the name Thunderball Grotto. However, it's also appeared in another James Bond movie, Never Say Never, as well as the movies Splash and Into the Blue. At high tide, there's no swimmable entrances into the grotto without holding your breath and going underwater, and we happened to come in somewhere in between, so we still had to kind of watch our heads when we were entering the grotto. And you used to be able to jump into the grotto from the top. However, with so many tourists and people in the water below, they've since banned it, and for good reason. Alright, that concludes this video, and thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already, and tune in next time where we'll start heading back north towards Nassau. Thanks for watching.